Ayun. So, hello guys. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday. So, gusto ko lang i-share yung ginawa sa akin ni Lord nitong umaga. Sabi ko, hindi ko pwedeng hindi ko ma-share. Kasi, sobrang na-amaze ako kay Lord. Actually, kagabi, iniisip ko na to. Sabi ko, Lord, nag-worry ako, napapaisip ako. Kasi sabi ko, Lord, sobrang sakto lang talaga lahat ng meron ako. Tapos sabi ko, Lord, gusto ko magsimba ng Sunday. Gusto ko pumunta ng church ng Sunday. However, sabi ko, Lord, expensive. Expensive siya sa akin in a sense kasi malayo siya. From south to north. Ganyan. So sabi ko, Lord, I'm worried. So, I was being honest kay Lord na nag-worry ako. Ang ginawa ko, nag-pray lang ako. Sinurrender ko kay Lord. Na sabi ko, Lord, ikaw na bahala. I don't want to worry anymore. Kasi napapagod na ako mag-worry. Although there are times na nag-worry pa rin ako. But I saw how the Lord intervened in my situation. Kasi sobrang amazing talaga ng ginawa niya. As in, masasabi mo, miracle siya nung nangyari. So, I prayed and prayed until no morning. Nagising ako ng 5 a.m. Sabi ko, punta pa ba ako ng church? Kasi napapaisip ako eh. Kasi hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ng budget, ganyan. Mag-i-exceed ako sa budget, ganyan. Wala na talaga akong budget. So, ang ginawa ko, I prayed na lang. Tapos sinurrender ko kay Lord. Sinabi ko kay Lord yung nararamdaman ko. Umiyak ako sa Kanya. And then, sabi ko, Lord, hindi ko alam magagawin ko. So, I surrender, prayed, and then, I felt like, para akong si Elijah, na tinulog na lang niya yung problema niya. So, sabi ko, sige, hindi ko na alam gagawin ko. So, pinag-pray ko. Tapos, nakasleep ako ng konti. Tapos, nagising ako ulit after a while. Kasi nag-a-alarm ako eh. Naglalagay ako ng alarm para at least pag may mga times na hirap ako gumising. But, hindi naman talaga ako hirap na gumising kanina. It's just that, parang, alam yun, syempre nag-ano ka eh, nag-work out. But then, after I prayed, and then I sleep, when I woke up, I felt peace. Sabi ko, ganun, I feel at peace. And then, nakita ko kung paano nag-work si Lord. Alam nyo, God is always on time. He is never late. But He is on time. So, nakita ko, natulog ko lang ulit, pagising ko ulit, I prayed ulit kay Lord, and I thank God for today, for waking me up, ganyan. And then I saw that the Lord provided for me. Kasi alam ni Lord, how much I really wanted to go to the church. And then, nakita ko na may ginamit si Lord na person para makapunta ko ng church. Doon ako na-amaze kay Lord. I was surprised. And I'm really happy. Bigla na lang, all of a sudden, out of nowhere actually, nag-message sa akin. Sabi sa akin ng spiritual mother ko, saan ka today or saan ka pupunta, ganito, something like that. And I told her na pupunta ng church, ganyan, stuff like that. And then I know na this is the Lord who's speaking. Sabi ko, iyak ako. Literally, na masasabi mo na, I sought the Lord, and He heard, and He answered. Kaya pala I feel at peace. Kasi sinurrender ko na kayo. I feel at peace even though, sabi ko, alam ko na, iniisip ko yung nag-worry ako, but I feel at peace kasi sinurrender ko kay Lord. And then I saw how the Lord provided. He knows how much I wanted to go there. And ayoko nang i-allow yung lies ng enemy to shut me up, to kill my spiritual. So, lumaban ako. declare that the Lord will provide. The Lord is doing something. And He really did something. Sorry. Teka lang, naiyak ako. Nabid lang ako. Gusto ko lang i-share. Mahaba to, guys. But thank you kung ikaw ay nandito pa rin nag-stay sa haba ng sinishare ko. I was just really amazed how God provided for me. Kasi si Lord yung kikilos. Hindi natin kailangan mag-lean sa sarili natin. Na, di ba Proverbs 3, do not lean on your own understanding. And I saw how the Lord provided for me. And my spiritual mother said na si Lord yan. Alam ni Lord. And then I was just crying. Sabi ko, after niya nag-message and everything and asked, magulgul na ako kay Lord. Kasi sabi ko, alam ni Lord how much I desire to be with the community. And He never failed. He's always on time. Say, God, He is my provider. He is my everything. Kaya sabi ko, grabe Lord, You provided for me. Alam mo kung ano yung nasa puso. And I really praise the Lord for today. I really thank the Lord for today. Sobrang grabe yung worship ko sa Kanya. Na, Lord, faith lang ang meron ako. And ito lang po. Right then and then, He provided. Sometimes all we need is faith. Faith and at the same time, prayers. Na even if hindi pa natin nakikita, believe as if you already received it. And the Lord will make miracles. But we have to have that strong faith in Him. That God will take care of us no matter what.